Hello everyone, hope you all are having a blessed day. Welcome back to another beginner series makeup tutorial. Today was just going to the store to pick up some groceries, and I thought that this would be a good time to film a quick kind of mommy makeup look. So easy. It's using affordable products, Profusion Wanderlust. And first off, we're going to start out by priming our eyelids with Covergirl eyeshadow primer. We're using the Sinful colors Shady Babe cream eyeshadows, and this one is just a light shimmery pink, and I've tried these out 2 separate occasions. They do not crease, they dry down, they last all day long. In this tutorial I actually topped it with an eyeshadow. So we're using the Profusion Wanderlust eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to take that warm brown there, and the names of the eyeshadows will be in the description box, as well as an additional product list and a beginner series playlist. So we're going to put this warm brown shade in our crease, and I'm just going to use windshield wiper motions. I'm also going to apply that in the outer corner a bit, and you need a nice big fluffy brush for this. A blending brush is actually really perfect for this because you're going to place the color and it's going to blend out at the same time. So I just slowly kind of build that up. Now the next shade we're picking up is a light shimmery purple, and it kind of has a blue shift to it, and I just decided this is what I wanted to put over top of it. And this look is so easy, you guys, and I thought that you would really enjoy it. It's so quick too. It's so quick. I mean, literally two shades. I usually don't count the brow bone highlight, and we'll just place that on our lid, and I have a stiff eyeshadow brush doing so. It picks up a lot of shade and packs on the shade as well. We're going to be blending down edges ever so quickly there, and yeah, basically the look is complete. So you just need basically a transition crease color and a colorful eyeshadow on the lid, or a skin tone shadow on the lid. Any shade on the lid would actually work. And that was the Color Workshop's brow highlighter there. And I'm taking this on a large shader brush. It's also kind of fluffy, and placing that and blending it down with the crease color. And we'll go back in with a little bit of the crease color to blend the brow bone with that. We're doing a thin strip of liquid eyeliner to begin with, and this is the Unshakeable eyeliner. This eyeliner is great. I'll try to link it in the description box below. There is a code as well if you choose to buy one. And then we're going to tightline with the Milani Stay Put eyeliner. Favorite pencil eyeliner ever. It stays put literally all day long. It's so black. And then we're going to clean out our waterline there, and then I'm going to use the WetnWild Brow Highlighter in my waterline to open it up. I'm not putting any shadow down there. I want open eyes. Today I decided to do lashes, so we're using Lacolors Dramatic Lash in DEMI 982 with the Kiss Lash Adhesive. And I highly recommend these lashes if you're a beginner to lashes. Even if you're not a beginner, these are actually really great eyelashes. They're kind of nice and small and petite, very easy to apply because they are not so overwhelming. They're very natural, and I had no issues with these whatsoever. $1 at the Dollar General. So easy to apply. Probably one of the easiest pairs I've ever applied, to be honest. Now wait for your glue to dry and stamp your real lashes in with your false lashes with eyelash curler. Gonna conceal the lash band with some liquid liner, and then I'm going to go in with Rimmel long lash, extra long lash mascara, and mesh the eyelashes together on top and do a little bit at the bottom. Not crazy with it at the bottom. And for lips, I'm using this Keepsake lip gloss, and I'm dabbing it because I don't want it to be that opaque. I just kind of wanted a sheer wash of color. So you see where I'm going here? Super quick look. All I have on my face also is just a concealer and powder, a little bit of blush. We're going to set that makeup, and that's the look, you guys. Very quick, very easy, simple kind of look. Lid shade, crease color, a little bit of gloss, and go on out the door. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, found it helpful, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Don't forget to check the description box out for additional links as well as that product list. Like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring a bell if you haven't already. Thank you guys always for watching.